Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to adjust accounts payable in QuickBooks Online using a journal entry in the updated 2026 layout. So first, open your browser and go to quickbooks.com, click Sign In, enter your email and password, and once the dashboard loads, we can get started. Adjusting AP with a journal is really helpful when a vendor balance is wrong, when something was entered incorrectly, or when you need to record an adjustment your accountant gives you. Begin by clicking New on the left menu and choosing Journal Entry. This is where QuickBooks lets you control entries that affect vendor balances. Now, one important rule is that if you want to adjust accounts payable, one line of the journal must use the accounts payable account, and you must select a vendor name. Without the vendor, the journal won't connect to the vendor balance at all. On the first line, choose accounts payable. If you need to reduce what you owe a vendor, enter a debit to accounts payable. If you need to increase what you owe, enter a credit instead. Then, in the name field on the same line, choose the vendor you want to adjust. This links the journal to the vendor's profile, so QuickBooks knows whose balance to change. On the next line, choose the account that offsets the entry. This could be an expense account, a liability clearing account, or whatever your accountant recommends. The amount must match the first line so your debits and credits stay equal. After reviewing the entry, click Save and Close. Now the journal entry is recorded, but it's not yet applied. To complete the adjustment, go to Expenses, then Vendors, and open the vendor you adjusted. Click Make Payment. You'll see the journal entry listed like a bill credit. Check the box next to it, then apply it to the correct bill, or leave it as a standalone adjustment depending on your situation. And that's it. That's how to adjust accounts payable in QuickBooks Online using a journal entry. Use the accounts payable account, choose the vendor name, offset it properly, and then apply the entry so the vendor balance updates correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.